Still very shallow. Come back. Retake. Huh? Alright, first cast of the morning. Right, second fish. Come here. And this one is a good one. It's a shrimp. It's a shrimp. It's a trout. Alright, let me get you out of here. A nice little trout, not a keeper, but it's a cute one. Absolutely no wind right now. But the water, it's been windy for the past few days, so the water is really dirty, very chalky. Trying to get the hang of that bait caster again. Haven't used it for a while. right, multi-species puffer fish. Oh my goodness. So how do I get you out? There, got you. So sorry. All right, go, 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 big guy, go, go. So we're gonna be opening our presents for Christmas. We're, we're, we're so excited. And the tide is still low, and we're not catching any fish, but we're gonna open our gifts. Yes. It's for fresh water, but we can always use them for salt water. It's from the mystery tackle box.
It warns you, careful, contains Joanna.
Be careful with those, Joanna.
Yes.
Okay, so let's open number 1 first. These are the 12 days of Christmas, but we're gonna open all of them in one day.
Let's fast forward.
Let's fast forward.
Watch us catch something. Oh, you caught.
Huh?
Watch us catch. Okay, so this is.
That's when you can actually
Yeah.
use it right now.
Yes.
Yes, because of the color. We put a jig head, you know, we can try it.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's number 1. We'll catch a lizard fish again and puffer fish. On the second one, number 2 is a tiny one. Careful, it contains hooks. Oh my god, this is tiny. Okay, this is too tiny for the kind of fishing we do, but you know, maybe in a pond for panfish or something.
Or fish tank.
Or a fish tank, yes. It says, I believe it's silly, but I believe in Santa Claus. It says there inside the box. Yeah, they seem to have also a message. It says, the first one says, God bless you, everyone. No? Yours doesn't say anything?
Oh, inside.
Inside the box at the bottom. All right, number 3, definitely very like for bass. See, contains a hook. There's nothing cozier than a fish mess with bed and all lit up.
Oh, so the sparkles. I like it.
It is so pretty, but definitely for bass.
Okay, number 4.
Number 4 looks like some type of worm.
Yeah.
It could be an eel here. Peace on water will come to stay when we leave fish mess every day.
These are cool.
This could even work
Yeah.
with a little jig head. Number 5, careful, it contains hooks.
They're small.
That one is the spinner. It's like a little spinner bait. Every time a bobber bell rings, an angelfish gets its wings.
Oh, that's cute. Yeah.
Yeah, this one is tiny too. Look at the tiny little hook.
Yes.
Freshwater, big time. And then number 6 is just gonna be a bunch of hooks. And let's try number 7. Stickers for your kayak.
Oh, sticker. The best. I love stickers.
Okay, we definitely need to put it on the kayak.
Yes, yes. But once it's clean right now.
Once it's clean.
Oh, mine is different.
Let me see yours.
Okay. Crazy fish.
Look at mine.
Yeah. Just remember, the true spirit of Fishmas lies within your tackle box. That's the message.
Let's go number 8. Tiny ones. Again. I have some like that big, but
I've never seen like this combination clear with black. It's beginning to look a lot like Fishmas.
number 9. Careful, contains hooks again.
Ooh, you could probably use this for flounder.
Maybe, yeah. It could work.
The message, Fishmas is the most wonderful time of the year besides pre-spawn.
Is it the same as mine?
Yeah.
Yep, same one. Okay, that one could work for flounder.
Fish in my green.
Ooh, number 10. For the beer.
Land shark.
Yours is different.
Yes. During Fishmas, all rivers lead home.
Number 11. Carefully contains hooks. Ooh, we can use this one.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Mm-hmm.
It's so pretty.
We
May
can
you
totally
never
use
be
it.
too grown up to search the skies on Fishmas Eve. Well, we're a little late, but
It's the same, right?
yeah. Okay. Well,
Number 12, the last one.
is it like a mystery?
It's like a little spinner bait
Okay.
with the little blade. And mine is super stuck in there. Oh, that's so pretty.
It is pretty.
It could work here.
Yeah.
It could totally work.
This is
In a sunny day.
Be jolly and make good casts.
Cute.
This is cool. Thank
So
you.
now, see, we need to do some freshwater fishing this year.
Okay, where can we go?
Somewhere. We're gonna have to research. So that's pretty much a mystery tackle box.
This is pretty cool.
This is cool. We need to find the saltwater next year. This can be a tradition, and then fish
Yeah.
with the tackle box, right? Next year. Mm-hmm.
On the one that
You know what? I'm gonna try this one. Yeah, I'm gonna put it on this one. Let's see what happens. Anyway, we're not catching fish.
I know.
Who knows? Well,
We're trying out our gift. This is a neat gift. Unique.
so, number 1. Let's go for it.
Do you think this hook is too small? Probably need a bigger one, right?
Yeah, that looks kind of small. Look, looks like a little alien.
Uh-huh. It does. It looks like the ones from The Sand. Remember that movie from the 80s?
Mm-hmm. So let me pull the anchor and
What?
your
No
thing.
way.
Your thing fell.
Any luck?
Nothing.
We got 2 trout.
Two trouts. No, they were small. Yeah, so 2, and then a puffer fish and a huge lizard fish. That's all. You too. Bueno, let's fish this hard. Let's see if we can catch something with it. Time to explore a little bit because since like the bite is not the greatest. So I'm gonna explore. Oops. Explore a little bit, and who knows, maybe I see some action somewhere else. It looks like it wants to rain, but not really. I hope it doesn't rain. We're just gonna be here until maybe about 10 o'clock, so 2 more hours. Maybe an hour and a half, and we're gonna be going home because it seems like the bite pretty much died already. It was a very slow day. Still a beautiful day. It was very calm. I noticed that the wind is beginning to pick up. It's getting a little bit breezy, which is, it can probably change things around here. I've been all over this area, but absolutely no bites for about 2 hours already. Seems like all the bites were within that hour when I caught the trout, puffer fish, and the lizard fish, and then that was it. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video right here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Stay safe and healthy. See you next time.